Many homeowners in our state are seeing their insurance premiums go up and up. News 5 senior reporter Brett Forrest is looking into why and where do we go from here.
If you own a home, it's no surprise how high insurance premiums have risen in Colorado. For some, it's really becoming unaffordable, especially for people on a fixed income, like seniors, for example. They're telling me unless there's some relief or change, they may have to up and sell their homes, leaving behind family, lives, and history. But there may not be any recourse in the form of seeing decreases again.
There are nights that I don't sleep because I'm worried, what am I going to do? Where can I go?
Gerard Brennan has multiple sclerosis. He's on a fixed disability income, and because of sharp increases in home insurance premiums, he's facing the prospect of having to sell his house.
This was supposed to be our forever home. This is where we were supposed to live.
In 5 years, his home insurance has increased over 200%. In turn, it's causing a deficiency in his escrow and raising his mortgage to nearly unaffordable prices.
We're one paycheck away from disaster. There has to be a way for us to get these rates lower.
But when it comes to the reason for Colorado home insurance increases, experts like Carol Walker fear it's the new standard.
Mother Nature is not slowing down. Call it climate change, whatever you want. All we know is in 2023, we had record-breaking catastrophes.
Colorado ranks second in the country for hail claims and third for highest wildfire risk areas, Walker says. Across the U.S. in 2023, there were 28 confirmed billion-dollar climate disaster events.
There is a lot of fear. There's a lot of rumor and innuendo around insurance companies exiting the state of Colorado. We're not in that situation yet, but we are at a tipping point.
States like Florida, Louisiana, and California have seen insurance companies leaving or reducing availability due to these climate disasters. But there's also rising costs on most goods and services. All this in turn affecting the reinsurance market, which is what insurance companies buy to cover their own losses, making premiums sharply rise.
We're one bad decision in the legislature away from really pushing insurance companies out of the marketplace.
In 2023, Governor Polis signed into law the FAIR Plan, a last resort option for those who can't get coverage from any other insurer. It's being built right now.
We didn't want it to be in an emergency situation and then have to spend a year, 18 months building up a program.
The Colorado Division of Insurance says they're looking into methods of relief for homeowners.
I think it's something that we'll need to work with the legislature, obviously, to figure out.
But people like Carol Walker say attempts to regulate the insurance industry may push them away, and instead urges homeowners to shop around and consider their own mitigation efforts, especially when it comes to wildfires.
Investment in mitigation will pay off dividends to not just making us safer and reducing the risk, but making homes more insurable and then insurance more affordable.
It's not just a Colorado issue, it's really being seen across the country. So what the industry is telling me, keep shopping around for insurance because it's an affordability problem, but as of right now, not an availability problem. And they do hope that coverage remains available here in Colorado.